At-home HPV tests. A step forward, not a replacement for Ob-Gyn, care the availability of at-home human papillomavirus. HPV tests marks a significant shift in cervical cancer screening. The U.S. Health Resources and Services Administration, HRSA, now recognizes self-testing as a viable option, allowing individuals to bypass traditional, often uncomfortable, clinical exams. While convenient, this doesn't mean the role of the Ob-Gyn is diminishing. In fact, experts emphasize that comprehensive women's health care extends far beyond cervical cancer screening. The rise of at-home HPV testing, at-home tests offer a discreet and accessible method for screening high-risk HPV variants, the primary cause of most cervical cancer cases. This is particularly valuable given that approximately 25% of U.S. women were not up to date on screening as of 2021, according to the American Cancer Society. Self-testing has the potential to reach those who may have previously delayed or avoided regular checkups. However, a positive or abnormal result from an at-home test will almost certainly require follow-up with a healthcare provider. Individuals with weakened immune systems or precancerous conditions still need consistent professional screenings. People in their 20s, when HPV infections are most common, should also continue regular visits, as these infections are usually harmless but require monitoring. The Ob-Gyn, more than just pap smears, the real value of a traditional Ob-Gyn visit lies in its holistic nature. These appointments encompass much more than cervical cancer screening. Ob-Gyns conduct breast exams, discuss birth control and family planning, screen for other sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and address critical issues like menstruation and menopause. According to Jean Conray, a former chair of the HRSA-backed Women's Preventive Services Initiative, if Ob-Gyns are reduced to only performing pap smears, they've failed their patients. The average appointment provides a vital opportunity for open discussion about reproductive health, filling a gap that a simple at-home test cannot. Access and comprehensive care in the U.S., where nearly a third of the population faces limited primary care access, Ob-Gyns often serve as the primary point of contact for preventive health. Research from 2011-2016 shows more reproductive-age women visited Ob-Gyns for preventative care than generalist physicians. These specialists frequently handle broader health concerns, from refilling asthma inhalers to screening for depression. Routine blood pressure checks, vaccinations, and general wellness maintenance are also common during these visits. The Ob-Gyn is often the only doctor some patients see regularly, making the appointment a critical touchpoint for overall health. Someone should be talking about all the other basic health screenings, all the basic wellness things, every single year, says gynecologic oncologist Amanda Brugel. In conclusion, while at-home HPV testing is a welcome advancement in accessibility, it should complement, not replace, regular visits to an Ob-Gyn. Comprehensive women's health care requires holistic evaluation, preventative screenings, and ongoing discussion, ensuring patients receive the full spectrum of support they need.